Hey guys, check out this e-bike conversion. So here we have 180 millimeters disc, so bigger disc brake. We have performance brake pads, a new brake mount to give the proper spacing. We have a new gear cable. We have the gear sensor, so this is a clutch. We have an upgraded chain ring. The motor received a waterproof tape on the front and it has been properly installed. Can you see this band here? So that's how it should be installed. We have 4 bolts holding the battery, a lock so the customer can lock the bike to a pole. We have an alarm here. We have rear light, front brake also upgraded. Look at the size of the disc, size of my palm. Improved brake pad as well. You see now we have 2 spacers and the setup on the handlebar.